Today we're going to be simplifying exponential equations. This is part 2 of learning how to simplify exponential equations. So let's get to it. This time we're going to be simplifying in this equation, which states x squared times y to the power of 8 times z squared times a to the power of 7 divided by x cubed times a to the power of 5 times y to the power of 6 times z to the power of 3. So, to simplify this, we'll see all the like terms. But first, the first one, we already see that the x is on top of the x divided by 3. So on top, let me just make this a bit more thinner. Okay, so x. So the first one would be x to the power of negative 1. The second one will be, because y to the power of 8 divided by y to the power of 6 is y to the power of 2. And then the last one is z to the power of negative 1 times a to the power of negative 2. Now, have you noticed something? A lot of these exponents have a power of a negative number. Now, I know a lot of math teachers will ask you to make sure that all the variables have a power that is a positive number. So, to simplify that, we're going to be moving the numbers into the denominator. So, for example, x to the power of negative 1 will just become x. Y to the power of 2 will just stay the same. Z to the power of negative 1 will be z. And a to the power of negative 2 will just be a to the power of 2. Okay, now that we're done with that, let's move on to a second problem. In this problem, it's a little bit more different, so let's first make sure that we simplify everything with a power. So, a to the power of negative 3, c to the power of negative 4, d to the power of 5, and b to the power of negative 3. Now, to simplify this, we have to bring down the variables to the bottom denominator. So, a becomes a to the power of 3, c becomes c to the power of 4, d becomes d to the power of 5, b becomes b to the power of 3. And that's how you solve exponential equations by simplifying them. Thank you for watching.